people's rights not exercised and rights taken away. So I like to exercise my rights, and then at every opportunity I get, I like to inform people that may not know. That's part of the reason I wanted to talk to you, because I didn't know if you knew.
Because he's carrying an unrestricted permit, so it's not like he's violating carrier's permit.
And he can up and carry that, right?
I don't know.
You can just ride around and carry all these.
Yeah. You didn't clear this yet?
I don't know. I thought you.
I didn't take this one.
Oh, no. He said his permit is unrestricted and there's no concealed, so he can carry it the way he was carrying it. I also have a handgun that he was carrying in his waistband.
That's under that.
But,
okay.
What's going on, everybody? Soliaker here, and I'm going to be talking about a YouTube channel called I Am Wolf. And he's from Maryland. I guess under Maryland law, you are allowed to openly carry with Maryland's specific gun license. So that being said, this video, what I would really say in this video is that law enforcement and their lack of the knowledge and their lack of understanding of the law is really what this video is all about. I mean, you just watch this entire video. It's a little long. Make sure you go over to I Am Dr Wulf's channel. Links are in the description. Give him some support. Make sure that you said the armed fisherman sent you. And without further ado, let's get into this video. Make sure you hit that like, share, and that subscribe button on both of our channels. And I'm out of here. Soliaker. Peace.
sir, do me a favor, guys. Clear the scene.
That's right.
Hey, do me a favor. Clear the scene for me. Back up. Keep backing up. There's a reason why we're here. W151 headquarters, copy, Maryland tag.
Okay.
1 Edward Charlie 5899, Black Ford Taurus.
Come back out through 323, Devontae Simmons, 739, Young Way, West.
10-4. Can you run a 29? I've got a handgun. I'll give you make and model in a second. It's going to be a Taurus handgun. Let me know when you're ready for the serial number.
Okay. Headquarters advised when you're ready for a second. I have the long gun.
See, somebody wasn't.
He's got a permit.
Okay. Is he happy? License.
It's going to be a Bear Creek
Is your permit?
model.
Yeah.
Okay.
Bravo Charlie Alpha 15. The serial number of Bravo 01842.
Yep. Bars 24.
I'll take these two. Did you already run his name?
No, not yet. I was too busy getting the
Okay.
guns.
W151 headquarters. I know we've been giving you a lot.
Hey.
I've got a name and date of birth.
Here, this is the card.
Where's the register on?
Who do you have as the registered owner?
What's that?
Devontae Simmons.
Okay.
That's right.
I got it.
Headquarters 151, the first 1032 handgun is registered to that subject, negative
10-4. Just hang with him.
You didn't clear this yet?
I don't know. I thought you.
I didn't take this one.
Oh. No, oh. No, I'm sorry.
That's all right.
Got it.
So he's unrestricted on this thing. We just need to call the gunslinger.
Okay.
See, you know.
What did he have on him in the store?
So he had this strapped around him. Right around his midsection.
Okay.
And he had this in his waistband.
Headquarters 7137.
Okay. What's the rule with that?
The long gun is going to be registered to that subject as
It's
well.
actually going to be an SP. It's going to be considered a handgun.
A handgun.
Yeah,
So it's legal?
I mean,
Both.
Yeah, because they're fine. But we need to call the gun center
Even with this?
on here.
What's that?
I mean,
It's still probably a 223.
yeah, it says 223.
Considered short barrel. Who wants to handle primary?
I am.
Okay,
Fine.
just call the gun center, give him what you got,
Okay.
because he's carrying an unrestricted permit, so it's not like he's violating carrier's permit. But tell him to be followed.
Okay. Also, sir, just to let you know, there is a body camera on scene recording video and audio. Okay, yep. Hey, I need to run a subject that we're out with who's carrying guns inside of a store. He gave us a handgun permit, but it's a handgun permit, an unrestricted handgun permit. He had a, what is this?
Bear Creek.
A Bear Creek
It's a short barrel,
short barrel.
but it has the foregrip. It's not the
But
butt stop.
it has
Or
a,
the
I'm sorry, hang on.
short barrel rifle.
It's a short barrel rifle, and then also a handgun. I'm sorry? Bear Creek. I have a serial number and all that.
Oh, I'm not looking at it.
Baker. Okay.
So it's an AR style rifle.
My lieutenant's telling me,
It's an AR style rifle.
yep.
This is an AR-15.
Properly registered. No problem with it.
Okay.
Yeah.
He can up and carry that, right?
I don't know.
Gun center would be the one to ask why we have him on the phone, right?
Yeah.
And is he allowed to open carry that? Okay, he's looking at the permit to let us know.
Okay. Did you get all his information, Dr. Z?
I have his ID.
Did you just get like his phone number, good address, social, where he's working?
Okay. It's the same gun I took off the other belt.
Oh, with him?
Mm-hmm.
Well, obviously it didn't stick.
It didn't stick. We went to the final and she didn't cooperate.
Do you need his new address at all?
Yeah,
Yeah.
new address, whatever. You
Yep,
can get.
whatever's up to
I need
date.
it now.
No, just write it all down.
So this was on him as well?
That was in his front of his waistband, in his dip.
Not in a holster, right?
It was in a holster.
Oh, it is.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Well, he died at the hospital, so I don't think we're going to need to take a referral for that. He had
Okay.
pulse when he got there.
He said his permit is unrestricted and there's no concealed, so he can carry it the way he was carrying it.
But how about the handgun that he was concealing?
And then I also have a handgun that he was carrying in his waistband.
That's covered under that.
Under that.
But
Okay.
that would be covered under that as well. Okay, yeah, he said any firearm. Okay.
Yeah.
Got it. Okay. Do I need any paperwork from them?
Who?
Gun Center? Do you want them to like?
Yeah, I would have him email.
Could you email me his paperwork?
Good call. Keep going.
That'd be perfect. Okay. Okay, no problem.
Hey, you there? Yeah,
It's going to me. It's the email is
physical injury, history of cardiac, all that stuff. You got cardiac
at westminstermd.gov.
No, ASI.
Yeah, we just did.
All right, and it can be an NR. So what we take reports for are unattended deaths.
I think so. You said it pretty fast. Yep, A. Stallman. Yep. Ashley.
Because there's no sign of trauma, like if there was trauma, and even if he made it out to the hospital,
Yep,
if
corporal.
there was evidence that something else could have happened, it still would have been a death investigation.
West. Yep. No problem.
He has a cardiac episode. There's no signs of injury, anything like that.
Okay, no problem. Thank you. I appreciate it.
Good notes on the car that he had.
All right, have a good one.
A pulse when he got to the hospital,
Bye-bye.
and it was a witness death, so nothing suspicious.
Oh,
All
he
right.
is dead.
Yeah.
Okay.
I mean, no, that's fine.
You can just ride around and carry all these.
Yeah.
All right.
We'll talk.
Yeah. Let me get this information so I can.
Huh? You want to talk to me, John?
I want to hear.
Sure.
Yes,
sir.
Yeah,
you-
that's a pistol. I didn't know if you knew about it. I just wanted to.
Yep, and we contacted Maryland Gun Center and all. You're good to go. We're going to give you your stuff back and send you on your way.
Cool. Well, my wife is actually on her way here. The door that I just bought from Lowe's won't fit in the car.
Oh, I gotcha.
So she's coming
Okay.
and she has issue. So I have to go back and
Sure.
get the door and strap it on and all that stuff.
Okay.
You're good to go. Obviously, that kind of stuff draws attention because not very many people exercise that right. So obviously,
that's part of the reason I do it. As the old saying goes, rights not exercised, and rights taken away. So I like to exercise my rights, and then at every opportunity I get, I like to inform people that may not know. That's part of the reason I wanted to talk to you, because I didn't know if you knew. So I just wanted to inform you that even if I was carrying like a full-size rifle, you don't even need a permit to carry a full-size rifle. As in Maryland, a permit is only needed to carry a handgun. And a handgun is classified as a firearm. Any firearm with a barrel less than 16 inches. So.
we appreciate your cooperation. We just have to do our due diligence here too, and we'll send you on your way.
That's fine.
All right, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Cool. Good.